Today on Cooking with the Lion, we're making a delicious savory crepe, which also happens to be gluten-free. And it's all happening right now. Let's get started. Among the many pluses that this crepe has to offer, the first thing that comes to mind is it is really easy to pull together. In this large bowl, what I have are 2 large eggs and a couple tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna whisk this together until it's all equally mixed, and then I'm gonna add about a cup of water and do the same. And in this bowl, I have a combination of 2 different types of gluten-free flours. That is white rice flour and chickpea or garbanzo bean flour. I also have a little bit of savory seasoning. So I have some lemon zest and finely chopped thyme, and of course, a bit of salt and pepper for seasoning. I'm gonna whisk all of this in until it's well combined. And that's it. It's all really well combined, and we let it wait for 30 minutes. Now, letting it rest for 30 minutes is important because those flours, the chickpea flour and the white rice flour, do need to hydrate, or else you get like a weird grainy texture. We want it smooth and delicious and savory. So now, all we do is wait. Our 30 minutes are up, and the batter is a little bit thicker, kind of like a thin pancake batter. Cooking them is very simple. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a non-stick pan, put it over medium-low heat, and heat it until it's quite warm. Then grab yourself a 1/4 cup measuring cup, and then pour a 1/4 cup of the batter into the middle of the pan, and then quickly rotate the pan to distribute it into like a circle, about 7 inches in width. Then we'll cook the crepe for about 30 to 45 seconds until the bubbles come through, just like a pancake would do. After 30 to 45 seconds, you would simply flip the crepe and cook for an additional 30 seconds, and then pull it off and stack them as you cook them off on a side plate until they're all done. It made quite a few crepes, and I'm glad that it did because these are absolutely delicious. Look at that. Pliable, but again, gluten-free. It's nice and smooth on one side. Really nice pancakey texture on this side, and it smells like lemon, the lemon zest and the thyme. It's just wonderful. That's why I'm thinking savory more than sweet. Light, spongy. I mean, it's delicious. It makes me think of like, you wanted to do ham and cheese sandwich. You could do that. If you wanted to do scrambled eggs with a little cheese and do a little wrap for your morning breakfast, that sounds fantastic. Vegetables, steak. You could really use this for anything because it's just so darn pliable, but again, super easy to pull together. So whether you're gluten-free or not, I think you're gonna love these. It pairs beautifully with just about anything you can think of as far as savory is concerned. You can make a bunch of them ahead of time, wrap them up, keep them in the fridge. They'll last quite some time. You know what? Simple, delicious, easy, goes with anything. You gotta try them, guys. And when you do, let me know what you think. Cheers.